3Dling are a professional surveying company with a primary focus on 3D laser scanning. 3D surveys use a wide range of technology, including laser scanning and drones, that accurately capture a building and its features. We provide a specialist consultation service in order to prepare a scope of work meeting project requirements and level of detail. Our engineers will attend site to carry out a laser scan and control survey. The survey will map out the building in high detail, including fenestration, structural and cladding features. The survey is non-intrusive and can be quickly undertaken with minimal disruption to tenants and facilities management. This measured building survey data can then be used to provide a wide range of 2D or 3D format plans and models throughout the project cycle. To assist in the removal and replacement of unsafe non-ACM cladding systems, a complete package of elevation drawings are prepared. These provide assured information for use in the planning, design and manufacture phases. Further 360 imagery tools can be provided, such as TrueViews or PanoTour, each offering a layer of information and building investigation to project contractors. The use of high-precision laser scanners, which measure several 100,000 coordinates every second, makes a highly accurate and comprehensively detailed three-dimensional representation of the site. Scans are used to create a point cloud, where you can view the asset and begin the process of documentation. At 3Dling, our wide experience across all sectors enables us to provide value and assurance to each project. .3Dling laser scanning services, operating across the UK and around the globe.